Diabetes mellitus is actually one of the most popular chronic ailments in nearly all countries and persists to grow in significance and numbers as variable lifestyles strive to decrease physical activity and elevate obesity. Around 18 million commune pass away every year from cardiovascular ailment, for which hypertension and diabetes are prime predisposing agents. Diabetes is actually of two kinds. Kind 1 is an autoimmune trouble of childhood, depicted by ketoacidosis, acute onset, insulin dependency, and thinness. Kind 2 is a metabolic trouble of middle life, generally connected with obesity, non-insulin dependent, and slow in beginning. In spite of the truth that the evolution of kind 2 diabetes mellitus is in adolescents and kids has attracted much interest. Kind 1 diabetes mellitus stays the dominant shape throughout childhood in several countries. However, the PAPM attempts to demonstrate how an individual comes to resolutions to pick action and as well how he or she interprets that resolution to work. Former reports have presented that the occurrence of kind 1 diabetes has elevated worldwide throughout the previous 3 decades. Kind 1 diabetes is recognized to become a chronic immune-mediated ailment with a subclinical symptom of inconstant period. The PAPM and another phase models propose that commune at various points in the procedure of precaution adoption conduct in qualitatively various tracks, and that the kinds of information and interventions required to move commune closer to action offers from phase to phase. As recorded by Carbonine and other colleagues in 1999, the occurrence of kind 1 diabetes has elevated linearly for 40 years in Finnish kids, and throughout that period, the age at clinical beginning of kind 1 diabetes has been shifting to the younger age collections. Therefore, the danger of kind 1 diabetes is at present roughly the same in all age collections in childhood. The hallmark of kind 1 diabetes is actually the selective devastation of insulin manufacturing cells, which are found in Purkinje's or insulitis.